Hey you guys, it's Britt. I'm jumping on super quick today to review the Joah Lash Uprising Mascara. I just picked it up today. I was super excited to try this out and I think my results were pretty good. So if you are interested, please keep watching. Hey guys, so I'm going to do a review for you today, quick to the point like I usually try to do these mascara reviews. This is the new Joah Lash Uprising Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. And I saw this on Instagram. It was actually an Instagram ad. I do not follow this brand on, on my Instagram page, but the brush looked really interesting to me. So I actually went to 3 different CVS stores because I didn't want to order it online and have to wait. So I went to 3 different stores, found it. I think that it was $10. And I'll read a little bit about it and then I'll apply it and hopefully I'll be blown away. So I got mine in Blackest Black. It says, join the lash movement, a revolutionary high impact mascara with its volume maximizing brush coats and conditions each lash with impeccable precision for fierce volume length and lift. Created with a weightless balloon air powder complex, our buildable mascara delivers maximum volume without any heaviness for all-day comfortable wear. It's cruelty-free, no parabens, and yeah, so this should be really interesting. The lady at CVS actually had to go in the back to get this for me. She was so kind, and so I've already curled my lashes with my Surratt eyelash curler, so we're just gonna get right into this. The thing I like about this is the brush is, the bristles are very close together. So it seems like if you compare this to like Lash Paradise, these bristles are closer together and it seems like there are actually more of them. So that is one thing that I noticed right away. You know, I never understood why people do their mascara like this. That seems so uncomfortable to me. Okay, so there is one coat. I have a feeling this is going to be a really good building mascara, so I think I'll notice it after the second and third coat. It looks okay with one coat, but obviously I never wear one coat of mascara, so I'm gonna wait about 15-20 seconds and then go in with coat 2. You know, the brush on this actually reminds me a lot of the CoverGirl Exhibitionist, if I'm comparing off memory. It's a little bit more of a wet formula compared to Lash Paradise, just a little bit. I can notice it just the slightest amount. But I don't think that, like, I hate really wet mascaras. I've always hated them. So it's not bothering me, but if you're used to Lash Paradise, I know a lot of people use that. I think that it's just a little more wet than that. So I'm gonna let this sit for 30 seconds before I go in with the final coat. Okay, so there is 3 coats on both eyes. My lashes look really good. It did get on my eyelid just a little bit, so that's kind of annoying, but I'm also the type, like, I don't know, I don't really care that much. But if you were wearing this with no eyeliner, it might be something where you would have to go in with a Q-tip and a little eye makeup remover and just clean it up so that it's not on your eyelid, but I'm wearing eyeliner, so it just sort of went over top of my eyeliner. That is something to keep in mind, but I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the day and then update the end of this video with if it's smudged or flaked or anything like that. But right now, I really like it. I think it's a good option for a drugstore mascara. I've said in recent videos, I think the drugstore is killing it with mascaras now. The, you know, the history of drugstore mascaras, it used to be like they were pretty much all terrible. If you look like 5 or 6 years ago, but it's really changed, especially over the past 2-3 years. And I'm really liking all of the options that the drugstore has. There is only one high-end mascara that I would fully recommend, and that is the Chanel Le Volume Mascara. I really love that. I have for years. But outside of that, there are not really many that I would say you have to have this in your life. It's not one of those products that I spend a ton of money on. I just think that the drugstore does it really well. So I will update the end of this video if you guys are interested. But until then, if you like this video, please leave me a like and a comment. And if you would like to see more from me in the future, please subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.